Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
French President Emmanuel Macron will use a state visit to Washington this week to press EU concerns about the US huge new green energy subsidy package. While EU countries welcome the new commitment to energy transition, they fear the $430 billion Inflation Reduction Act will put their companies at an unfair disadvantage. Coinbase Wallet will no longer support the native tokens associated with Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum Classic, Ripple's XRP Ledger and Stellar, effective December the 5th, according to an update on the crypto exchange's website. The US dollar stuck close to a one-week high, holding on to gains from a three-day rally as investors braced for comments from Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell later, and a crucial monthly jobs report at the end of the week. The last session saw the euro gain 0.7% against the dollar. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The dollar fell 0.4% against the yen in the last trading session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 03:35 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. Germany's retail sales at 0700 hours GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI will be released at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.